Everyone, this is Sharad here. Today I talk about three big lessons of my life. My first lesson is same color as it comfortable. The way people live in company, so does their nature. If people live in good company, then their nature is good. If they live in bad company, then their nature is bad. I living with bad temporary children, and then I also started abusing. And then I used to get scolded, and sometimes I get beaten up. But now I am living with good friends, good teachers and good students. So I would neither be scolded nor beaten. From this I learned that way you live in company, so your tune. My second lesson is don't waste money and learn to use it properly. My father tells me not waste money and learn to use it properly. We go to the temple and there we offer milk and also money and offer flower and wherever XYZ. But God does not drink the milk, goes into the drain, and money in the priest grave and flower in the dustbin. Hey, you guys are wasting money to offer food to a poor person. With that money, the God surely be happy with you, and that poor will also be feed. That's way. I will always help the poor. I hope you will always help the poor. My third and last lesson is everything happens with hard work. It is true that everything happens with hard work and happened to me. I did not try to learn English and I did not know anything in English, and now I came to RA education and now I am working hard to learn English. Today I am giving a speech in front of you today in English. It is a moment for me. I am giving a speech in front of 200 people, and my sir always say trying the solution will come. Trying the solution will come. If not today, tomorrow will come. Like the arrow of Arjun, water will also come out of the dust. Work hard, give water plants, fruits will grow from the barren land. Gather strength, give fire to courage. The power of steel will also emerge. Keep it alive, keep the hopes in your heart. Ganga water will also come from the out of sea of girl. Keep trying to do something. Wherever is there today has stopped. We walk. Thank you. That's it.